Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. My name is Chanina Lindsey, CEO, owner of CL Staffing Solutions. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about equipment really quick, you guys, because when you're working on the Arise Virtual Solutions platform, you do have to have compatible equipment. So what do I mean by equipment? I mean like your computer, your headset, dial pad, things like that. So this video is going to help you guys that are wondering if you have the right equipment to even work on the platform to begin with. So this is my website. So I want to direct your attention to here because I do have a whole page on the website that kind of goes into equipment. So when you go here, need equipment, you're going to just scroll down here. And then you're going to click here because there is a whole PDF that Arise provides to let you know if your equipment will work on the platform. Okay, so this is going to save you a lot of trouble when it comes to shopping if you're somebody that has to actually go out and purchase equipment, because not all computers and laptops that are sold at Walmart, Best Buy, stores like that, they're not necessarily compatible to work on the actual platform. So if you guys go to the website, you'll be able to pull open this PDF. This is provided by Arise, and it's updated, I say at least about once a year or so. And it kind of goes through, well, not kind of, it gets very specific as to what type of equipment you will need and how it will be compatible, right? So they have requirements for PC users, and if you're a Mac user, there's also information about being a Mac user as well. There's also other information as to where you can purchase these items on Amazon if you want to go through Amazon. And it tells you about the PC scan. So there is a PC scan that you'll have to do once you go onto the platform, because the clients and Arise want to make sure that you'll be able to service their clients. So if for any reason you already have your equipment and you're registered to the platform and you don't pass the PC scan, it's basically going to tell you why. So if you're in need of new equipment and you need a recommendation, I want to share this information with you guys so that you're able to purchase some new equipment within your budget, right? Because not everybody has $800, $1,000 to go purchase a whole new computer. Okay, so if you're on a budget, just go to the website, scroll down to the bottom, click on that link, and it'll take you over to Work at Home Equipment Solutions, which is a company that I've been recommending to my agents personally and to other people from day one, from the moment that I found out about them. And honestly, I have received positive feedback. I haven't received any negative feedback from any of the agents that I have servicing under my call center who has actually purchased their equipment from Work at Home Equipment Solutions. So this is why I'm recommending it to you guys. It's a very budget-friendly way of getting equipment now and then just making payments later. They have a financing option that you can do. So they have several different ways that you can go ahead and get your computer equipment. And you guys, if you're looking for a side hustle, okay, affiliate programs. So affiliate programs, believe it or not, a lot of companies have affiliate programs, and it's basically just a matter of you sharing their products, and when someone makes a purchase, you get a small commission for it, right, at no cost to the other person. So side hustles, y'all, I recommend signing up for their affiliate program because they have products for everybody, even if you're not working from home necessarily on a platform like Arise Virtual Solutions, you know what I mean? But we're talking about Arise Virtual Solutions, so they do have specific equipment or client specific equipment. So you would just click on client job specific equipment, scroll down to Arise Virtual Solution, ready PCs. These are all refurbished equipment, you guys. So, and it still works just fine, right? So get into this website, go through all of the information, see what you need, go ahead and make the purchase. Even if you have to finance it, their financing program is a no credit check program. So you don't have to worry about them running your credit or anything like that. You just set up, how you want to do it, and you make your installments, right? So just to give you an idea of what they offer, I mean, they offer everything, and look how decently priced this is. $469, that's less than $500 for a whole new computer, and you get 2 monitors, so not bad, you guys. So I really want you guys, if you can, go ahead and check out this website, because like I said, even if you're not working on the Arise Virtual Solutions platform and you just need a new computer system and don't want to pay a whole lot for it, but still needed to do what you needed to do, go here to Work at Home Equipment Solutions. So that is it for today, you guys. I know we did a double whammy, we did a double video, but I do appreciate you guys' support on this channel. We're in 2022, so hopefully I'll be able to drop more videos over here. If you guys have not checked out my vlogging channel, it's just Chanina Lindsey. Go ahead and go over there and see what I do behind the scenes and in my regular daily life, because I am a work from home mom. I actually work on the Arise Virtual Solutions platform, and I share a lot of information over there on the other channel about it, but I am going to be sharing more information over here. So thank you so much, you guys, for supporting the channel. Again, remember, we're trying to grow the channel, so you guys leave any comment down below, say hello, turn on your notifications, and subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.